Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my TSUDO headers, and so for some reason my camera did not record any sound or audio, and so I'm just going to do a voiceover real quick and just forget about the video with me talking to nothing, completely nothing. Anyways, I recently got headers because my BRZ needs to be a little bit louder, and so I got the catless unequal length headers from TSUDO. I've heard mixed reviews between TSUDO and a bunch of other brands like Tomei, FT86 Speed Factory, or a bunch of other brands. I forgot which, but like there are a shit ton of them. And so far, TSUDO was the only like setup that I've heard sounds really good. With my setup, my kind of setup, I'm running a Spec D catback with a Megan Racing mid pipe and some front pipe. I can't remember what front pipe. The front pipe was like the first thing I got for the car. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a couple clips of what happened to my BRZ. I got into a hit and run recently, and so the car is in the shop and won't get out till the 26th of February. So hopefully once it's out, I will get these headers installed, but I won't be doing it by myself. I'm gonna have some friends help me. I'm also taking it to a shop that I know, or maybe not a shop, but like my friend's shop, and he has a lift too and everything, so I'm gonna ask him to borrow his lift. The headers do look nice. They're very light, but at the same time they still feel pretty heavy. But I don't doubt that my OEM headers on my car is even heavier. So this is weight reduction for me. In the future, I will be getting a brand new exhaust system, most likely NVIDIA N1s, because I do have the Spec Ds, which are the replicas to the N1s, and so I would want a N1 so that way I can get more snap, crackle, and pop kind of sound for the BRZ. The headers do come with gaskets and some bolts, so that's a plus. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. This is pretty heavy, actually. It smells like metal, obviously. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out and good night.